am in the area of Panathinaik Stadium, and I think there's a, let us say, a concert maybe. A lot of people. The stadium is full of people. You can see, as you can see. And admission is still ongoing. The people are checking the ticket of the people who want to go inside. It's 10:16 in the evening of Sunday, the 14th of September. Greek music is being played. Platinum Standing Arena on the other side, the yellow one. Side is a clearer view of the concert, so every space in the stadium is occupied. There are drones. the best singers in Greece nowadays at this generation. So that's why you can see a lot of Greek people attending the concert of this famous singer Anna Vissi, as it is seen here. And I think she's the one singing, if you can hear it singing. If you can hear the singing of this lady. Yes, I think she is the one. Anna Vissi. So check it out on the internet, in Google, who she is. Paramedics are outside standing by in case there are cases of emergency. So they are here. And some more here. We go further from the stadium. Now we are here. So the predominant color is red in the stadium itself. It's 10:22 in the evening of Sunday, 14th of September 2025. And watch out, this will be downloaded and to be uploaded in my YouTube account later. So you can see the drone hovering the stadium there. So the name Anna Vissi is everywhere. Here. Go for a better place. So every space is occupied, even outside the stadium, as you can see here. So spectators are only until here. Side view 1 here. About Panathinaikos Stadium, I told you that this stadium is a multi-purpose stadium where it's not only for Olympic things, it's only for not only for gymnastic things but also for concerts like this and many other activities. It's a multi-purpose stadium. There is the Acropolis, the Parthenon, there on the far end. We are in Panathinaikos Stadium. They call it Kalimarmaro, meaning good marbles. Kali, good. Marmar is marble. It's unbelievable. Look at the people inside the arena or in the stadium. Behind this performing stage are still other people. So it's a semicircle stadium. until the far end. Up there is full of people. About 1 week ago, another famous singer of this generation, Sakis Rubas, performed here. It was a free concert. I think that was 1 week or 8 days ago. I've seen one Facebook friend of mine who did live, and he was one of the spectators or one of the people who watched the live performance of Mr. Sakis Rubas. And in this reconnection, when we went to Meteora last Sunday, about 7 days ago, our driver, Mr. Christos, is a friend of Mr. Sakis Rubas. On this side is the Golden Standing Arena, VIP 2. Ambulance. The Olympic Games logo, Olympic logo is there. Plus from the crowd. Okay, bye-bye for now. I'll see you again. Thanks for watching. Oh, shit.